Hey there, folks. If you've ever wondered how to seamlessly transfer money from your Ally bank account to another bank, you're in the right place. Today, I'm walking you through the entire process step by step, so you can do this quickly and confidently. Whether you're paying off a loan, funding another account, or just managing your finances, Ally makes it pretty straightforward. First things first, start by logging into your Ally Bank online account or mobile app. Make sure you have your login credentials handy. It's all about security, after all. Once you're in, head over to the main dashboard and look for the Transfers or Move Money section. It's usually right there on the home screen for easy access. If the external bank account isn't already linked, you'll need to add it. Click on Add External Account and enter the required details, like the routing number and account number from your other bank. Ally will then verify this account to ensure everything's legit, often by sending a couple of small test deposits and asking you to confirm the amounts. Once that's done, it's time to make the transfer. Select the account you want to transfer from, your Ally account, choose the external account as the destination, and enter the amount. Double-check everything to avoid any mistakes. Nobody wants to send money to the wrong place. Hit the Confirm button, and you're all set. Keep in mind that most transfers take 1 to 3 business days to process, depending on the banks involved. Also, Ally doesn't charge for outgoing transfers, but your other bank might, so it's worth checking. One last tip. Always monitor your accounts after the transfer to make sure everything goes smoothly. That's it. You've just mastered transferring money from Ally Bank. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.